Hello, we're going to do an unboxing after we feed Cottie. She wants cookies on. There's a box on the bench, she's on it. Let's feed Cottie, here we go. She's dirty today. She was rolling around in dirt. Okay, you can let me unbox this? Okay, gotta move you. Okay, this is another eBay item. 3R Technology out of Kent, Washington. Let's open it up. I sent an offer, they accepted. I first sent an offer and they denied it. About a month later, they relisted and sent the offer and they accepted. Oh, packing peanuts. Oh well. Okay. This was a clue. This is definitely not the right AC adapter for what's in here. So, no telling if the thing in here is going to work or not. I seen that and I was like, uh-oh. So, hopefully I do not make a mess. At least it came from Washington, so it was, you know, they accepted on a Friday. I was hoping they were going to ship it on a Saturday, but nope, they shipped it on Monday. That was here on Tuesday. So let's get this unpacked. Yeah, I could tell by the connectors it's seen some use. Those connectors are nice and yellow. It's either been sitting. They got it 5/17/2024. Kent Warehouse. So is it going to work? We'll find out here in just a second. But yeah, it's going to definitely probably, these are going to be brittle. That happens. So I already have power supply. And it powers up. That's a good thing. Let's throw one of the adapters on it. And we get a A801 power, CX001. I'll plug it into the USB. Looks like it detects on the computer. Let's light the software up.
Lights doesn't support that.
I didn't say her name. Okay, it detects. Let's do a pen logic test. Ground test. I'm not hearing it beep, but it's saying operate okay. and FRAM test. So I think the tests work. So let's feed Cottie. Let's see, supervising. Did I do everything okay? Here you go. Well, we did all the checks. I will shut it down. I will do the critter inspection. I don't think you guys want to see the critter inspection, but we're going to do it anyways. It's just a few screws. Just those screws. Well, maybe we won't do it. And I'm going to have to use this screwdriver. I think my other screwdriver is wonder if the PSU has been modded already or serviced according to the service information from Xeltek. That one don't want to. There she goes. See, capacitor's flat. Capacitors look better than the other one. Can't see the R6 resistor. There. Zoom in. Forgot the value off the top of my head. But 362, I think that needs to be changed. R6 right there. If you get unmatched adapters with modern CX adapters, it's that R6 right there. I'll link in the description to my blog post on it. But I will run a calibration test, and it'll probably need some adjustment from I can tell from the display. And you adjust those with the little trimmers right there. It's a time-consuming process, but once you get it dialed in, these things will work and work and work and work. So sometimes they're perfect, sometimes they're slightly out. So that's it. We'll catch y'all later. I got a hand. No? Okay, she wants to be that way today. We'll catch y'all later.